see what we got here. So we got the spray nozzle, another spray nozzle. Here's the first product, which is the tire shine. So you got this nice packaging. We got 16 ounces. And then tire shine. That's it. And then the wheel and soot cleaner, which is pretty cool. So, this stuff is not cheap. This is, I think each one of these, this was like 25 bucks. Each of them was like 25, so you're looking at 50 bucks, and then even the shipping. So, I mean, it wasn't free shipping. I had to pay for shipping, which was another like over $10. I think it was a total of like 60 bucks. Right, so we just got StreetSpeed 717 in Shane Designs. We got their tire shine and wheel cleaner. We just got it in the mail. Now, like I said earlier, it's not cheap. It's $25 a pop. And once I got it, I'm like, I got to try it with something else. You know, this stuff's, I mean, it's like liquid gold right now. So I was like, well, let's try with something else. I know Chemical Guys, you can get it at your local Walmart, and the product works really well. So I figured I'd grab some today. Both of these, you can get them at Walmart for less than 20 bucks. So, you know, you're looking at 25 for this, $19 for those two. Pretty big price difference. Hopefully, you know, this stuff works way better than that. You would think it would work. Should be, what, 3 times as good? We'll check it out. The one thing I like about Chemical Guys is that the product smells great. So I'm hoping StreetSpeed stuff is the same. It has a good scent to it, because when you're working, it's just nice when you're doing detailing on your vehicles, just the smell of it, you know, it's just nice. I don't know, I'm weird. But either way, we're going to take these downstairs. We're going to check them out and see how they perform. All right, before we head downstairs, I want to do a quick little sniff test. Now, like I said earlier in the video, Chemical Guys is known for having a quality product, but also a product that smells really good. And I like that. The wheel cleaner is the only product here that I've actually used before, and I'm pretty sure it's supposed to smell like bubblegum. It's been a while since I used it, but we're going to try. We're going to try to see if we can figure out what this tire shine smells like. No idea, but my guess, it smells pretty good. It does. What is that? Is that like new car smell? It's not bad. It smells pretty good, actually. It's not like a fruity smell or anything like that, but maybe it is supposed to be like new car smell. I actually didn't read any of this stuff on here. It might even say new car smell, but that's what I think it smells like, something like that. Now here is the Diablo wheel cleaner. Again, I think it's supposed to be bubblegum. For sure, that is 100% bubblegum. That one smells good. You can like eat that if you want to. Don't do that. I'm just saying. Now here comes the 717 stuff. I've bought a lot of different types of cleaners and stuff. All the stuff basically like Walmart has. And you can buy online. You can go and buy all these specialty stuff. This is the first time I ever bought something that was this much money for cleaners. This one actually has like it's a tire shine, and it's got warnings on it, which is kind of interesting to me. So I'm going to be careful when I open this up, and you know, maybe it smells good, maybe it doesn't. I'm not going to risk it, so we're going to keep a distance. I don't need to kill any more brain cells. So we're going to try this out. It wasn't even really tight. That's kind of weird. That's weird. I don't know what that smells like. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell like a cleaner or anything. Just it smells. What is that? I've smelled that before. I don't exactly remember what it was, but not bad. It doesn't smell bad. Here we have the wheel cleaner now. Wheel and soot cleaner. Woo boy. Okay, that is straight up degreaser. That's what that is. I did another video on industrial degreasers and stuff like that a little while ago. And there's a product that I use called Buster. You can get that like O'Reilly's or something. That stuff is unbelievable. Smells exactly like this. Now, if that's the case, if this is kind of like that, I can tell you from using this before, if this works half as good as the Buster, it's going to be better than this. That Buster stuff is insane. It cleans up amazing. Yeah, so we're gonna look at this. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna show you the video. We're gonna go down through this guy. Like I said, it's kind of interesting seeing these signs on it and all this different stuff. But yeah, let's check it out. Okay, now we're ready to go. We're gonna spray these tires off, tires and wheels, and see how well these things clean up. On the right one, we're gonna be using the Diablo, the Chemical Guys Diablo wool cleaner. And then on the other side, we're gonna be using StreetSpeed 717 and Chain Designs. We're gonna use it on that side. Directions say on the 717, spray evenly on wheel or exhaust area, let sit for 1 minute. Do not let dry, wipe or scrub heavy soot or dirt with pressure washer, wipe away, and we'll be good. So we're gonna spray it down. I don't have a pressure washer in here. We're just gonna spray it off the hose. And then Diablo, the Chemical Guides, is a little bit different. They want you to spray it with some water, then spray this on, and then agitate it. What we're doing, we're just gonna see the kind of the power, the difference that these things have. So we are just going to spray them both. We're gonna let them both sit for a minute, spray them off, and see what they look like, see if they actually did anything or not. I'm gonna try to keep this evenly. We got the spray. Come on. Come on. Well, it doesn't even want to spray. It's not a good sign. Let's see if we can switch it around here. Okay, well, we had to switch the head. We're gonna kind of hustle this up a little bit. And spray it off. Try it again. Try to keep it even with both products, but it looks like it's pretty clean. Let it work for a minute, and then we're going to spray her off. StreetSpeed 717. That's definitely different. Okay. See how it works. Wait 1 minute. We'll hose them off with the hose. See which one's working better. We got both wheels sprayed off and dried. Now, I don't see much of a difference. You can still see my fingerprints in both the wheels, so you didn't clean that up much. I really thought the StreetSpeed stuff was going to be a lot stronger, but it really didn't seem to cut through the grime nearly as much as I was expecting. That's okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to spray the wheels, the tires, and we're going to use just a little brush here, this little dude, and we're going to spray it and clean it all off real nice. We're going to see how nice they look when they're all said and done. My guess is they're both going to look exactly the same. Yeah, let's jump into it. Nice and clean, somewhat dry. Chemical Guys, and now we're on the 717. Both look good. but I don't see much of a difference. They kind of look exactly the same. Spent about the same amount of time on both of them. Tried to keep everything as fair as possible. Don't see much of a difference. But hopefully we will on the tire shine. So we're going to jump into that and see how they work out. Now we're going to do the tire shine. We're going to do the tire shine with the chemical guys on this tire here. And then we're going to use the 717 tire shine on this guy over here. Now we're just going to spray them down. Kind of use what the directions say. We're going to let this solution for the 717 set for 10 to 20 minutes. And then wipe off excess. So we're going to try that. And then we're going to kind of do the same thing with the chemical guys. So yeah, let's jump into this. A little bit different. I've never really seen one with you got to use this, even though you got a spray bottle. But we'll do what we can with what we got. (717). We're going to spray a fine layer of this product on it. So we're going to try our best. Maybe that's fine. I don't know what's the definition of fine, but we're going to let it, make sure we got all the spots. Alright, wow, that smells brutal. That's got a very potent smell. Alright, we're going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. So I let the tires sit for about 20 minutes to let them kind of do their own thing. And you can see from the chemical guys, it just puts a nice clean look, not super shiny, not like a wet gloss look. I like the wet gloss look. And once we get over here to the StreetSpeed 717 product, right there, you can see, look how wet that is. And that's been on there for about 20 minutes. So we're going to finish it up here. I actually really did enjoy this 717 tire shine. It worked, in my opinion, a good bit better than their wheel cleaner. That didn't seem to do much of anything. But either way, I do like the tire shine. It left a nice, rich, wet-looking tire. I enjoy that look. Some people do, some people don't. Now, how long is it going to last? I'm not sure. I'm actually probably going to throw it on my winter set of tires just to see. But again, I enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comment section below. God bless.